I dove into the deep end, cause I thought I could swim. But we break up every weekend. Was it gonna be like that? Oh, I just wanted you so bad. Playing with my mind, was that your intention? Cause I miss it.
Well guys, it's a cold snowy day out there in Prince George.
This year we're trading sun, sand, and surf in Mexico for sun, sand, surf, and temples in Thailand. Chuck and Jess Adventures are going to Southeast Asia.
CJA goes to SEA. Woo!
Cause I miss you.
Hey Adventure Gang, it is 2026 and we are on our Thailand-Singapore adventure.
We are getting ready to head over to the pier to hop on a long-tail boat to Railay Beach.
We've had an amazing past 3 weeks, and yeah, today we're on to the next step. So come along, follow us along.
Anyone on name, but no carry on. Anyone do your name, but no carry on. Anyone on name, but no carry on. Anyone do your.
All right, guys. Well, we enjoyed our 3-night stay at the Krabi Front Bay Resort there, and it is in Old Krabi Town. And right here is the Pak Nam River, which leads out to the Andaman Sea, and we're going to be crossing by boat over to Railay Bay. See you on the ride.
I dove into the deep end, cause I thought I could swim.
Welcome to our bungalow at Railay Bay Resort. Lock the door. Looks like we have a nice sleeping area, sitting area. Most importantly, a desk for the video game. TV. Bit of a little walk-in closet area, safe, fridge, and with our room, the mini bar is included. And then we have the bathroom. There's a tub. So separate tub and a rain shower. All perfect for 2-night stay at Railay Beach.
We're up early this morning on Railay Beach to check out the beaches.
Come along and enjoy the adventure.
We break up every weekend. Was it gonna be like that? Oh, I just wanted you so bad. Playing with my mind, was that your intention? Cause I miss you. Cause I miss you.
But no carry on. Anyone on name, but no carry on. Anyone do your name, but no.
All right, guys, that was Railay Beach East. Now let's go to
Railay Bay, Railay Beach West.
Woo!
Anyone on name, but no carry on. Anyone do your name, but no carry on. Anyone on name, but no carry on. Anyone do your name, but no carry on. Anyone on name, but no carry on. Anyone do your name.
Welcome to Railay Beach West. We're up with the sunrise because it gets pretty busy in the day with people. But look at it, we almost have it to ourselves.
Alright guys, that's Railay Beach West. Maybe we'll have a shot of some swimming and some fishies. Enjoy. Hey guys, it's our last morning at Railay Bay. So one last time, we're going to go check out Railay Beach East. Maybe we're going to walk down Phra Nang and Railay West.
Come along and enjoy the beautiful scenery.
Jessica, you going into the cave?
No, I can see it just fine from here.
Might find some bat friends in there though.
We meet the bat friends. Pretty cool if you know. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. That's really cool.
Jessica, what do we have here?
Well, Chuck, this is cultural. It's a cultural fertility shrine.
So what am I looking at here, Jessica?
Some genitalia.
Oh my. Wow. Enough of that. Alright guys, that was Phra Nang Beach.
Absolutely beautiful spot. We're here bright and early, so there's barely anybody, but worth getting up early for to have the place to yourself.
Alright guys, we're going to go have one last quick look at Railay West, and that's the end of the video.
See you soon.
What are you chewing on, Mr. Lizard? Alright guys, those are your last shots of Railay West.
Thanks for following us along in our adventures. If you're ever out here, I highly recommend staying a couple nights. A lot of people day trip, but I'm sure happy we decided to stay a couple of nights. Thanks to Chuck for booking that for us. And thanks for following along. We'll see you in the next one.
CJ out.
I dove into the deep end, 'cause I thought I could swim, but we break up every weekend. Was it gotta be like that? Oh, I just wanted you so bad. Playing with my mind, was that your intention? 'Cause I'm missing you. 'Cause I'm missing